Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the screen flickering issue on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, adjust the brightness of your smartphone. To do that, go to Settings, then go to Display and Brightness Settings, and here you can adjust the screen brightness manually, but first disable automatic brightness, and you can dim your screen as much as you want to, or you can simply enable the dark mode. And besides, you can also scroll down to refresh rate and set it to the static one. Select 60 Hz, for example, because the 60 Hz will keep your refresh rate stable. Or you can select up to 120 Hz, and this may also help you fix this problem. Now, if this isn't enough and your screen is still flickering, you can download the Screen Dimmer application from the Play Store. So let's go to the let me sign in to Google Play Store. And now let's go to the Search tab and search for the Screen Dimmer application. Find Screen Dimmer by this developer, tap Install, and let this application install on your phone. Then open it and give it all the permissions that it asks you for. Go further, and now we're gonna have to grant this app the permissions to modify system settings, accessibility, here go to downloaded apps, select Screen Dimmer. Let your device use of Screen Dimmer, then hit check the circle next to I'm aware of the possible risks, tap OK. Then let's go back to Screen Dimmer, let's grant it the notifications permission, and now we can enable the Screen Dimmer service, and here we'll have the much wider range of for the screen dimming, up to disabling screen brightness almost entirely. And this may also help you fix the problem. So you can also use this application as a solution in some cases, but also check if your device has any software updates that may have fixed this issue in the recent patches. To check for devices updates, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the internet. Go to About Phone section, tap on Xiaomi HyperOS, and let your device check for available updates. And if you do have available update, download and install it, and let your device reboot and restart and relaunch. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.